Hello and welcome to Forex Lounge. We're proud to release the newest version of our X System trading software. This new version includes both short-term and long-term trade alerts. The short-term trade alerts are good for day trading and swing trading, while the long-term trade alerts are good for longer-term swing trading and position trading. The new version of X System has 5 dedicated pages within its software. The dashboard of the page that you're viewing now is our most powerful page. All of our Forex Lounge technology is harnessed in one easy-to-use interface. It's small, compact, and it's very easy to reference via all the colors throughout the page. You can see at the bottom here we have our market barometers in 5 different time frames, a dedicated row for each individual currency. These 3 columns over here on the right are the X meter, 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute, the most commonly used time frames. In the middle is our market data window, very similar to X Scalper, but it looks at a much larger picture in the window. Right here is our trend condition column in the short, medium, and long term. If all 3 are green, you know that that currency pair is trending fairly strong to the upside. If all 3 are red, you know that that currency pair is trending fairly strong to the downside. And you can match that up with the order market window to find out if the short term is also strong. Over here on the left, we have our trade condition window. This lets you know the condition of the trade alerts, both in the short term and the long term. You can see if there's a trade. If it says live, then there's a trade. If it's green, it's going long. If it's red, it's going short. Pretty simple and easy to read. In addition, we've got icons for even quicker reference. Each of the 17 currency pairs has its own dedicated row. So all of this data across here is for the euro dollar. All of this data across here is for the pound dollar. Very easy to use and understand. If we move into the next page, we have the short-term monitor, the short-term trade history, the long-term monitor, and the long-term trade history. If we take a look over here at our trade condition window, we can see that both the euro dollar and the pound dollar have long-term trades, but they do not have short-term trades. However, the dollar CAD has both a short-term trade and a long-term trade running at this moment. So let's take a look at the dollar CAD trade and see how it's doing. We zip over here to the short-term monitor. We can see all of our trades in real time. It takes just a second for the data to load. You can see that right now on the short-term monitor we have 4 trades running. It told you what price the trade went short at. It tells you where to place your protective stop and where to place your target for this trade. It lets you know the day that it opened and the time that it opened. Here we can see the current condition of this trade. We're currently down about 11 pips on this trade. All the trades are opened live, so they include the spread from our broker. And you can see the condition of the other trades. In addition to individual stats, we also have the other stats, weekly stats, monthly stats, and a combined stat total. All the trades that have been sent, all the winning trades, all the losing trades, total trades over the last 30 days, total pips over the last 30 days, total pips over this week. This way we allow our technology to be very transparent and help you drill down and get the most out of our applications. Short-term trade history. Pretty self-explanatory. It gives you a list of all the trades that have been closed. Not live running trades. Those are viewed on the monitor so that you can update them tick by tick. But once a trade closes, its net result is posted. You have the time that the trade was opened, the time that the trade was closed, and you can sort. In other words, you can organize by pairs. Now you've got all the Euro USD trades lined up together on this page, and you can go through all the different pages, scroll backwards and scroll forwards to get all the information that you need. Long-term monitor and long-term history work exactly the same as the short-term and the short-term history. There's no difference at all. That's the basic idea behind X System. It's a very powerful system and it's simple and easy to use. It's designed for both the beginner and the pro trader alike. All the trades that are sent through the system are sent both SMS and email and through our Trade Messenger Pro. And you can select those individually. You can turn off the SMS alerts and only have the email alerts, or you can turn off the email alerts and only have the SMS alerts. I'll give you an example. You can have the short-term system send you both SMS and email alerts, while having the long-term trading signal or system either send you just email alerts or just SMS alerts or no alerts at all. So you've got a lot of flexibility as far as alert delivery. We're glad that you took a moment to view this video. If you have any questions at all, you can use our Contact Us page, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thanks again.